Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best survival gear in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best survival gear that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the BioLite SolarPanel 5 Plus. Of the units I looked at with an integrated battery pack and solar panel, I was most impressed by the BioLite SolarPanel 5 Plus. While the max output of the BioLite SolarPanel 5 Plus is only 5 watts, it's enough to get your smartphone going again. I also liked that it featured an adjustable kickstand and an integrated sundial, which I used to optimize the positioning of the panel during testing. Though it took the BioLite Solar 5 Plus 22 minutes to charge my phone 5%, it was fairly cloudy when I originally tested this model. The BioLite's onboard 3200 mAh battery can also be charged via a micro USB port, and was found after several months of testing to still hold a full charge. Moving on at number 4, we have the Garmin inReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. Tyler Friel took a look at the Garmin inReach Mini 2 and came back impressed. He noted that the inReach Mini 2 works best when paired with your smartphone via the Garmin Explore app. This is especially true for more complete GPS functions and mapping, including the ability to download a variety of map layers including Topo North America, USGS quad sheets, and even aerial imagery for some areas. One change with the Mini 2 is the addition of a passive trackback feature, which allows you to backtrack along a track you've already made, even if you don't currently have active tracking enabled. If you need to retrace your steps, you can recall them for up to 24 hours. Even better, to make location acquisition and satellite connection faster in remote places, the inReach Mini 2 connects to 3 different satellite networks in addition to GPS and Iridium communication satellites. You might not see a perceptible difference in connection times in some areas, but in steep mountain canyons or other areas with limited direct visibility of the sky, it can make a big difference. What the Mini 2 lacks is the option to have a basic topographic map on the unit, even with the small screen. You won't have access to the full power and function of the Mini 2 without using it with a smartphone. At number 3, we have the SureFire Rechargeable Pocket LED Flashlight. The SureFire Stiletto Pro checks all the boxes for gear editor Scott Einsman. It's easy to carry in a pocket, it's bright, it has a versatile beam, and it's rechargeable. The beam pattern is wide and very even edge to edge, which is ideal for EDC applications, blood trailing, and general use. It has good runtime and, at max brightness, you can run it continuously for 1 hour. When the Stiletto Pro is running low, a red indicator light comes on. Recharging the Stiletto Pro is easy with a power bank. There are trade-offs for the Stiletto Pro's nice, even beam. It lacks throw, and you'll have issues pushing past a photonic barrier or seeing objects beyond 50 yards. But, for most things you'd use a flashlight for, this is the best overall flashlight option. At number 2, we have the Benchmade Mini Adamas Tactical Knife. The Benchmade Mini Adamas is a shrunken and updated version of one of Benchmade's biggest and toughest folders, the Adamas. In the update, the Mini Adamas was blessed with CRUWEAR steel, which is a great improvement. Benchmade also updated the full-size Adamas and sells both the full-size and the mini. The old version had D2, which isn't bad by any measure, but doesn't hold a candle to CRUWEAR. The Benchmade Mini Adamas is my pick for the best pocket knife overall because it can do most things well. It excels in a hard-use environment because of its good ergonomics, strong liners, and CRUWEAR blade. And finally, at number 1, we have the phone Skope Pyro Putty Kits. Gear editor Scott Einsman lauded the phone Skope Pyro Putty as not only a well-thought-out fire starter, but also a multi-purpose piece of gear. If your tent springs a leak, you can rub Pyro Putty on the area to waterproof it. It's available in different formulas that are optimized for different times of year. Pyro Putty makes a cold weather and warm weather putty, as well as an all-natural and ultralight version. The warm weather Pyro Putty burned for 8 minutes during testing before the flame went out. That's a respectable burn time for just 0.1 ounce of material. It was also extremely easy to light, taking less than a second to catch fire. The putty even burned, if not as hotly, after being submerged for 7 minutes. It also stayed lit when he turned a leaf blower on it, to stimulate strong wind.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.